and welcome to week 3. The first thing that you're going to do is go into your reading assignment link. This time you're reading argumentative thesis, all sections, organizing your argument, all sections, and argumentative purposes. And then for a little bit of additional information or bringing all of your thinking together, you can look at Prezi number 5. As you move into the week, don't forget that the first thing you're waiting for is the screencast comments on your drafts. I will get those to you as soon as possible. You'll also be looking at the peer review comments on your draft before you move to the final copy. So remember, you want both sets of those peer reviews before you move through, ask any questions you might have, and then finalize and submit your project number 1 final copy. It's due at the end of the week, but please feel free to submit it as soon as you've looked at those comments and made your corrections or your revisions. All right, the other thing I want you to review is formulating a research question, because you're going to submit the driving question for this semester-long research project. So this gives you a little bit of information about how to not only form a question, but to fine-tune it, to make it more precise. And then it gives you some examples in different fields of study, for example, in the humanities or in the sciences and social sciences, but you're going to come up with one driving question that you're trying to basically solve or help others see the light on as you move through this research process this semester. So what you're going to do is, like I said, you'll turn in that project number 1 final copy when you're ready and you feel that it's revised to the extent you're going to revise it. You're going to submit your research question. If you open up that link, you're just thinking about 1 or 2 things you would like answers to as you continue your research. So what is driving, what is that kind of taking from that topic journal question and fine-tuning it so it's a question that your research can answer. And then you're going to participate in discussion forum number 3. With discussion forum number 3, you're going to center your responses around this article called Laptop versus Learning. What I want you to do is I want you to remember to embed textual references. So that means quotes or summaries directly from the text as you craft your own response. You can integrate your own personal experiences or observations as well. And then you will respond to 2 other classmates. All 3 posts are due at the end of the week, the last day at 11:55 p.m. All right, so that's your work for the week. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.